Hello everybody, Transportation UK here, and welcome to another Trainspotting video. Today I am at Doncaster on the East Coast Main Line, and today you are going to be seeing services by LNER, Hull Trains, Grand Central, Northern, Transport Express, East Midlands Railway, and Cross Country. Probably limited service from them, but yeah, and probably some. This is a hub for freight services, so we should be able to see one or two freight trains. Let's see what shall turn up today.
Barnaby, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes. Platform 8 for your 1237. Transparent Express service to Cleethorpes. First class carriage is located to the rear of this service. Platform 8 for the 1237. Transparent Express service to Scunthorpe, Barnaby, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes.
As he said, this is the Transparent Express service to Cleethorpes with 185-125. With the next stop being Scunthorpe. Train now about to depart from platform 4 is the 1235 Grand Central service to Bradford Interchange.
Transparent Express service to Manchester Piccadilly, Hoyt Meadowhall, Sheffield, Stockport.
I don't know the number of this 180, but I shall put a subtitle up so he'll know what unit it is.
First class carriages are located in zones 10 and zones 13. Standard class carriages are located in zone 11, 12, 14 and 15. Platform 3B for your 1242. Transparent Express service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Now arriving on platform 3B is a Transparent Express service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Passengers are reminded to keep luggage and personal items with them at all times. Any unattended items will be removed and may be destroyed. Passengers are also reminded it's against the law to smoke in any part of the station, including open platform areas. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to a member of staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. It must be worn on board trains and in stations, unless you're unable to do so for medical reasons. It is important that you follow.
Now arriving on platform 4 is an LNER service to Wakefield Westgate. It is a Zuma. 800-107. It is going to Leeds. Must be on a diversion. Now about to depart from platform 4 is an LNER Azuma service to Leeds, calling at Wakefield Westgate, and then it shall divert via Normanton and Woolsford on diesel mode because of doing some work. Here is a Transparent Express service to Manchester Piccadilly, 185-137. Leading the way. And on the rear is 158, 185, 134. 158, 185. And now arriving on platform 8 is a northern service to Adwick, calling at Bentley and Adwick, form of a class 158. This is a 158. Stroke 7. 158786. And in a few minutes we'll see an arrival of a EMR regional service from Peterborough. Now arriving on platform 1 is a LNER Zoomer service from Leeds, formed of a dual pairing of Zoomers, 5-car Zoomers. Leading the way is 801109. I shall get the rear unit as it departs. Now arriving into platform 5 is a terminating East Midlands Railway service from Peterborough, and departing platform 1 is an LNER Zoomer service to London King's Cross with 801109 leading the way, and on the rear is 801107. 109 and 107. Formed of a quite dirty 158. 158788. Now arriving on platform 1 is the 1254 LNER Zoomer service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Forming of a 9-car Zoomer. We'll see what the number is when it rolls up. Ooh, the stink of diesel. Leading the way is 801228. One of the 9-car class 801 EMUs. Now about to depart from platform 5 is the delayed 1247 East Midlands Railway regional service to Peterborough via Lincoln Central. Next stop being Gainsborough Road. Now about to depart from platform 1 is the 1257 LNER Zoomer service to London King's Cross, formed of 801228. Next stop will be Newark Northgate. A very 2T Class 170 Turbo Star. They'll be going to Sheffield probably. Should get a Grand Central service to Sunderland coming through in about 3 minutes. Sometimes it comes through slightly early because it's fast. It'll come through at a speed of 105 miles per hour if the signal's not at danger. Signals are changing now to amber, cautionary. Now arriving on platform 4 is the 1305 LNER Zoomer service to York, calling it York only. Formed of a 801 with 801 213. Doing the honours. (1305) to York. With first class at the rear.
Platform 4 is the 1305 LNER service to York only. Platform 4 is 1305 LNER Zoomer service to York only.
Coming through now is a Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Sunderland, calling at York, Thirsk, Northallerton, Thornaby, Hartlepool and Sunderland. Now about to depart from platform 4 is the 1305 LNER Azuma service to York, calling at York only. And 5 minutes after this departs, the 1315 LNER Azuma service to Edinburgh will arrive. And it will also be going to York, but it's going to go to Edinburgh. I think that was the local all-stopper service from London to York. I think it called that Stevenage, Peterborough, Grantham, Newark, Northgate, Redford, Doncaster, and then York. Yeah, all the stops, all the main stops anyway. None at Thameslink stops, except for Stevenage and Peterborough. There are them two at Thameslink stops. So in about 5 minutes, another Azuma should roll up, and after that one goes, about 5 minutes after that one, a service to Leeds will roll up. About 5 minutes after that one. They have a lot of services compared to EMR. Well, Intercity anyway.
Going straight to right at platform 4 will be the 1311 LNER Zoomer service to Edinburgh Waverley.
Now, as he said, now arriving on platform 4 is the 1311 LNER Zoomer service to Edinburgh Waverley, with the next stop being York, like the train before it was terminating that. So it'll be nice to see Intercity 225 801 229 leading the way. I think I got lucky last time when I was here. Got both class 91s. I wonder if they're running today. I shall have a look in a bit. Now ready to depart from platform 4 is the 1311 Transpennine LNER Zoomer service to Edinburgh Waverley. 1313 I mean. It arrived at 1311. Calling at York, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Alnmouth, Break-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh. Now arriving on platform 8 is the 1315 LNER Zoomer service to Leeds, calling at Wakefield, Westgate and Leeds. 800 113, leading the way.
Platform 8, 1315, LNER Zoomer service to Wakefield, Westgate and Leeds. Platform 8 for the 1315, LNER Zoomer service to Wakefield, Westgate and Leeds.
Coming through now is an LNER service from Aberdeen to London King's Cross from Nova class 800. Of course. 800! 102. Now arriving onto platform 4 is the very early 1331 Hull trains service to Hull, calling at Selby, Brough and Hull. Formed of a 5-car class 802 Paragon. It's a Hull Trains Paragon service. It shall turn into diesel power here.
For the 1331, Hull Trains Paragon service to Selby, Howden, Brough and Hull. First class is located in Zone 4. Standard class carriages are located between Zone 5 and Zone 8. Train now arriving at platform 4 for the 1331. Hull Trains service to Selby, Howden, Brough and Hull.
This gives me a good opportunity to start filming from the other side of the station. I shall be back in 2 minutes. Coming through now is an LNER Zoomer service to Inverness from Nova class 800. 800! 106. Going like the clappers. Now getting ready to depart from platform 4 is the Hull Trains Paragon service to Hull, calling at Selby, Howden, Brough and Hull, with 802-303 doing the honours. And now arriving on platform 8 is a northern service to Scarborough via Hull. We shall capture that departing in about a couple of minutes time. Now arriving on platform 3B is a northern service from Scarborough to Hull, Sheffield. 170 460. Calling at Meadowhall in Sheffield. Four 7.6s. I'm not standing on chairs. Now arriving on platform 4 is the Northern Local Service to Sheffield, going at Conisbrough, Mexborough, Swinton, Rotherham Central, Meadowhall and Sheffield. One 58786.
Please note that the replacement coach service will be in front of the station. Again, any passengers starting at the door, any passengers starting at the door. Please note that the replacement coach service will be in front of the station.
Now leaving is a northern service to Sheffield, calling at Meadowhall and Sheffield. This is from Scarborough, 170 460. The one that should arrive on platform 4 is from Adwick. We saw this one earlier.
Platform alteration, please note platform alteration to platform 8. Please note platform 8, 1337. Transatlantic Express service to Cleethorpes, following Scunthorpe, Barnaby, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes.
Now departing is a northern service to Scarborough with 170 454. And now arriving on platform 3B is a Trainspotting Express service to Manchester Piccadilly from Cleethorpes. And the Cleethorpes service shall be the last train of the video, as it's been a full hour. Thank you. Leading the way is 185 108. Calling at Meadowhall, Sheffield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. On the rear is 185 111. 111. With its next stop being Meadowhall. Now arriving on platform 4 is the 1343 LNER Zoomer service to Leeds, formed of a dual pairing of 5-car Zoomers. Leading the way, we shall see now, is 800 106, and now departing is the delayed 1337 Transpotting Express service to Cleethorpes, 185143. Leading the way, and 185146 on the rear. Calling at Scunthorpe, Barnetby, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes. That shall be the last train of our video, of my video. Thank you all very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe for more. My next train spotting video shall be at Chesterfield. So if you like what you see, please subscribe, and I shall see you all in the next train spotting video. Goodbye.